Before o bago ako lumipat sa bagong company or nag-a-apply ka na, naghahanap ka ng bagong company, malilipatan as a virtual assistant or even just a corporate employee, make sure you consider first you are comfortable. What do I mean comfortable? At least 80 to 90% you're comfortable dun sa move, yung paglipat mo dun sa bagong company. What do I mean? Anong ibig ko sabihin? So basically, you want to make sure that you are safe and secure to all aspect ng movement mo. I'm not saying, again, 100% in all aspect. At least 80 to 90% you are sure, safe, and secure. So, ano yung mga aspect na dapat mo i-consider as you move? So, number one is yung finances, yung compensation. Is the compensation good enough as you move? Hindi ka ba mag-iisip na, uy, teka lang, bumaba yung sweldo ko. Or, uy, teka lang, nag-move ako sa mas malayong lugar or nag-move ako sa mas mababa yung or mababa or even sakto lang yung sweldo. So you have to consider that kasi kung hindi, you might think and again move to another company or another institution. So you want to make sure that your finances are good. Number two, the benefits. You have to consider yung benefits. You want to make sure na as you move, yung benefit will, of course, you'll have the HMO, other benefits probably if you have a family, you're married, you have kids, you want to make sure na kasama din sila. Kasi kung the HMO will be cut, di ba, mahirapan ka. So you have to think about it. You might worry about it kasi you have to pay for the extra fees, charges pag nagkasakit yung kid mo or God forbid magkasakit yung family mo. So sana hindi. So you have to consider that. And then of course, you have to also consider yung place. Would you worry kung 'di ba maraming kumukuha ng mas magandang compensation benefit but they don't consider yung place, yung environment, yung company, yung culture as they move and then eventually they're gonna worry and they're gonna be suffering. So consider those first.